Hi guys, so this video is going to be about Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. You guys saw that when I went away, I had gotten some stuff at Sephora. Well, my husband got them for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. So I got the trio and I got it in Espresso 400. I think my trio is called 400, and I got the universal glass bomb, and the number is not on it. Oh, it is. It's called Fenty Glow. So this is a color, and I'm wearing it today. And I got Trophy Wife, the Kilowatt Trophy Wife. So I first want to address Trophy Wife. It is very bam in your face as a highlighter. So I would recommend whenever you're using it, use a light hand. I noticed that when I use a brush like this, I barely get any color payoff. So you're better off using a brush like this. You're better off using a brush like this one, or one that's shaped like this, or like tapered or something, because it will, don't do that, because it will pick up the product better. Yes, that's just my experience with the two brushes that I have. Yeah, and I haven't tried it using this brush. Yeah, so that's just my experience with those two brushes. Trophy Wife is very you guys have been seeing it. I can't put it because I haven't it. You guys have been seeing it. The mirror inside here has Fenty Beauty written right here. Then you have the logo FB, and it's like a gold. You guys have seen swatches. I don't want to swatch anything. It is absolutely gorgeous. Obviously it can double as eyeshadow, as a lip topper. It's makeup, so it's versatile. I don't want to say with Fenty Beauty it can do this, do that. It's makeup, so it's very versatile. I've used this only as my glow, and I'm actually wearing it today. I'm wearing it mixed with suede, I think it's called matchstick. No, I'm wearing it with cinnamon. These two mix together, and there's a full tutorial on this look, just in case you were wondering. I've used these products already off camera because I couldn't wait any longer. I really wanted to do it on camera and first impressions, but I was geeked. I was hella excited. So I was like, let me go ahead and film in there. So I did. So I got that, and I got the glass bomb. It's universal. You can run any skin type, which was smart for your first launch. Go ahead, ring. And I got 400. So in this you have cinnamon, which is the glow stick, and then you have suede, which is like a highlight, and then you have espresso, which is the low light. Now I've used these three on in different ways. This is matte, by the way, and they're magnetic. I don't know if you guys are supposed to know, they're magnetic. So with the matchsticks, I believe they're called, yeah, matte sticks. I use suede and espresso. Espresso is really dark and I like it, and I've used it over my foundation and without any foundation. Now over my foundation it moves really smoothly because it has a base, but I don't find it gives me a lot of depth. It gives me a really nice low light, but nothing as stark. So this will be very good over, and it's very creamy too, easy to blend out. Zamar do not. Same thing goes for suede. Suede I used over my foundation. A little bit of foundation was under my eyes, and I used it over it, and it was absolutely amazing to just blend out. It looks so, these two look really natural. They're not as aggressive as I thought they would look. They're not as aggressive as I thought they would look. I thought they would be lighter, I thought they would be darker, and it's the complete opposite. So I'm pleasantly surprised by that. Now I used these by themselves, meaning I didn't have any foundation underneath. And the espresso, the dark one, the low light, it still glided nicely, but it glided a little bit more effort. It glided effortlessly when I use it over my foundation, which is understandable because it has something to move on top of. This however is when I use it on my skin, it still moved nicely. And you guys will see for this tutorial, I use the Jackie Aina. It's not the Jackie Aina technique, I'm sorry. I use the technique that I saw through Jackie Aina, where she did her primer. Well, I use my moisturizer, my Belly Spray moisturizer. Then I use my Becca primer. Yes, Papito? Bread. Yeah, bread. Eat it and drink your tea. And then I use my suede, my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. So I use those, and then the espresso moved really nicely on top of all that powder, you know. The suede, however, and you see in the video, it did not move as nicely. And I'm glad I did not blend up with a beauty blender, because that thing would not budge. I use a brush, and this brush is from ELF, actually, from ELF, here in Of course, Fantana Pharmacy carries ELF, but e.l.f. is universal. So I used it to blend out the highlights. Guys, it blended out, but then I had to go over everything again after when I apply my foundation, everything, because I applied my foundation last. I was trying a new technique, you know, it's okay, I probably need to get used to it. And for the foundation, I'm wearing my Face by Shannon. I did not get the foundation when I went online and I went in Sephora. They did not have my color. So what are you gonna do? Online meaning FentyBeauty.com and Sephora meaning the walk-in store. So yeah, so the matchstick in suede, it did not move as effortlessly. So I was a bit surprised by that. Like the powder really slowed it down and kind of made it a little bit gunky and difficult to blend out. So after I applied my Face by Shannon, then I went in and I went in with these again, and of course it moved how I expected it to move. Now on to the matchstick, the shimmer stick, the matchsticks shimmer stick. This is in the color Cinnamon. This is a rose gold. You guys, this is absolutely phenomenal. Now I did Jackie Anna's, oh god, I feel like I'm worshipping her. When I was watching her review, she said that we shouldn't go on it on our face, we should just use a brush, and that's how I've been using it, and it's applied well, but it took too long. So for this tutorial, because I used these two twice. For the first tutorial I did how I'm explaining to you how I use the products, and so I'm using those tutorials, and you guys will be seeing them following this video. Yeah, so this I used it today and I applied it like this on the skin, and it was so nice. This is underneath Trophy Wife. So Trophy Wife is on top of Cinnamon, because Trophy Wife after the top, wife should be. Yeah, so I love it so much, and I also use this in my very first tutorial as a lip product, like as a lipstick or a lip gloss, and this did not move, only when I had ate something oily, because you know oil kind of breaks down. So only when I ate something that it began to just move and separate. Other than that, it stayed on my lips. I've been drinking water all day, juice, and it stayed on my lips. I was pleasantly surprised by this as a lip product. What else? One, two. The gloss is universal. As I said, I don't have much to say about the gloss. The gloss is just a gloss. You like the color, you don't like the color, it will still work for you. I'm not a fan of the gloss because I like when my glasses have a bit more pink to them. So yeah, but I'm just going to keep this just weird for today. Yeah, that's all I got from the collection. Hopefully later on in the year or whatever, you know, the stuff that I want can come back in stock. I really want the kilowatts, the doubles. I want those, of course, foundation, and I want to try her primer as well, and that's the sponge. I really want to try it. Alright, so that's it for this video, you guys. I won't go any longer. It's amazing to be back. I've been on a hiatus for a while. I had classes in Orlando, then in Florida, then Irma came. So I'll be making a separate video about that. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Rihanna is doing the darn thing. I've never seen a launch with this wide of a range for, yes, Papa, for dark skinned women, and every single where you go, all the dark colors are sold out. That should tell brand something. I'm like, Riri got it, but like she knew, because she's black. I mean, come on, and she's Caribbean, and in I don't know if it's for her, if it's for her in Barbados where she's from, but in Jamaica it's like a melting pot. In Jamaica you have from the lightest to the darkest. Our motto is out of many, one people. Yeah, so there's a lot of us in here. We're just a nice little melting pot here in Jamaica. So I mean, when I found out that my shade was so low, I was of course bummed out, but I'm like, yes girl, yes, I'm so proud. You guys do not know this, but I completely admire Rihanna for her business stance. She has her perfume line, her collab with Puma. I mean, she's doing it. She's real, and as an island girl, that ministers to me. As an island girl, it just shows me that Simone, you can do it. Don't ever dream small. And even though she started in music, she's branching off into clothing, into perfume, into makeup, because this is what she loves. This is what she loves, so she's doing it, and she kind of reminds me of me in that I'm doing what I love. I love makeup, I love brushes, I have a brush line. I love lashes, I have a lash line. I'm losing weight, I have a fitness line. You know what I mean? It's just where my need takes me, and then if I have that need, then other people have it too. So I create where you guys can share what I have, you guys can use what I have. We can be a little Pomi family, like how we're like a Fenty family. You have no idea how much both her and Keisha Kayor, they minister to me. They just show. And Keisha Carey is Jamaican, Rihanna is Barbadian. I mean Barbadian. She's Barbadian. She's from Barbados. So that really speaks volumes to me. So that's it for this video. I will not go any longer. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Did I have no glasses on my teeth this entire time? I hope not. Alright guys.